Haverhill Fuel Delivery Company has sent dozens of trucks to Florida and North Carolina to help with hurricane recovery efforts. The owner tells me they've been there for 3 weeks, powering generators to assist emergency crews.
It's really motivating when you're working and you're seeing what you're helping in real time.
Bob Brown owns Broco Energy, a heating, oil, and propane supplier. He says his Priority 1 Emergency Response Division has deployed 50 diesel tankers and service trucks to areas hit hard by Hurricanes Helene and Milton to provide emergency fuel.
We try to just stage wherever that eye wall is going to hit, and that way we're next to whatever critical facilities that are going to be knocked offline, like hospitals. Would stage next to those generators.
Brown's currently in Tallahassee and has crews all along Florida's west coast, plus Asheville and Henderson, North Carolina.
We try to assign like a span of control. Like one truck can handle 20 to 30 generators each. So, but that's one portion of it. Then there's the light power companies that are all here. So trucks are working 24/7, unfortunately, on those sites because those linemen are working so fast.
Brown says they're also coordinating with 10 other oil companies in the Boston area, and he expects his team to be stationed for at least another month.
It's easy working with guys and gals that are like-minded in this event, and yeah, everybody just comes together.
In Haverhill, Joanna Boris for your local station, Boston 25 News.